Hi friends, I'm Josh.
And I'm Zach.
And if you're anything like us, you like to stay swole.
Swole!
What does that mean? Free weights. Problem is, those are in shorter supply than toilet paper right now. Which is why we're going to show you how to make your own coffee can dumbbell set.
With these household items.
It's super easy, super cheap, and we're going to start super quick. But first, let's introduce our items. Alright, step one, you're going to want to empty your container. You can use any sort of container you want. Zach and I went with coffee cans because of price, size, and because we just can't get enough of that smell. Step 3, mark your lids. You're going to want to take your cut dowel, place on the lid, and make a real nice circle all the way around. This is the most precise step because the lids have to fit snug around the dowel. So now our dowel is full of screws and looking like some sort of demented zombie bat. And you know what that means?
Concrete time!
Alright, you're going to want to do one can at a time. Fill it about halfway with cement. Add some water. And stir. Two full coffee cans will give you about a 30-pound dumbbell. For bonus points, you can add other household items for a little extra weight. Batteries, extra screws and bolts, spare change, whatever you can think of to squeeze in a couple more pounds. For us, we're just going with straight concrete, which means it's time to insert our dowel. Work it down to the desired depth. And seal it off. Clean and tape. After that, you're just going to get yourself 2 more cans, repeat the process, let them dry overnight, and all that's left to do is pump some concrete.